Hello students, today we are going to start our next poem, Childhood. So what is in the poem? The poem is written by Marcus Nathan. So in this poem, the poet Marcus Nathan wonders when and where he lost his childhood. In this quest to find the moment he grew up, Marcus highlights the innocence and faith he lost even as he gained rational individuality. क्या कहना चाह रहा है पोएट? Childhood is the best period of one's life. A poet here raises a question where his childhood went. कि कब बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं उन्हें पता ही नहीं चलता कि उनका जो चाइल्डहुड है वो कहाँ चला गया. दूसरी बात, poet here highlights the innocence and faith he lost even as he gained rational individuality. What is rational individuality? When we start thinking logically, अपने आप में अपने लॉजिक हम लगाने लगते हैं, वो आपकी होती है रैशनल इंडिविजुअलिटी. और ये कब होती है? when we start growing up. So adolescence is usually a confusing time for a child who is unable to immediately come to terms with the physical, hormonal, and psychological changes in his or her personality. So in this age, adolescence में changes होते हैं, physically हैं, hormonal हैं और एक psychological changes भी हैं. So he no longer feels like a child but is not quite ready to call himself an adult either. अब क्या है कि इस एज में एक बच्चा जब चाइल्डहुड उसका खत्म होने लगता है और वो एक एडोलेसेंस, एक एडल्टहुड में वो एंटर करता है, तो वो एक ऐसी स्टेज होती है, ना तो हम उसको बचपन कह सकते हैं और ना ही हम ये कह सकते हैं कि वो बड़ा हो गया. तो एक बहुत ही कंफ्यूजिंग सा किसी भी बच्चे के लिए टाइम होता है, उसके व्यूज हैं, उसके थॉट्स हैं, वो चेंज हो जाते हैं. He believes that he has lost the innocence and purity of his childhood to some unknown and unforgettable places. अब क्या है कि उसको ये यकीन होने लगता है कि जो चाइल्डहुड है वो एक इनोसेंस थी, प्योरिटी थी, और जो अडल्टहुड है वो एक हिपोक्रेसी है, उसमें वो प्योरिटी नहीं रहती. और उसको जब शायद ये यकीन होने लगता है तब उस बच्चे को पता चलता है दैट ही हैज लॉस्ट हिज चाइल्डहुड. So through his poem Childhood, the readers are confronted with a question as to when and where have we lost our childhood. Confronted का मतलब होता है सामना करना, कि रीडर्स जो हैं वो ये इस चीज को, जो कि खुद पोएट एज ए नरेटर बात कर रहा है कि उसका चाइल्डहुड कब खत्म हुआ, तो गैसेस कर रहा है कि कहाँ पे और कैसे चाइल्डहुड का एंड हो गया. द आंसर्स लीड टू सेल्फ डिस्कवरी. खुद ही वो खोजता है कि चाइल्डहुड कहाँ गया. The poet feels disappointed because he thinks being a child was better than being an adult. Or yes, we all are agree with this idea that childhood is better than adulthood. A child life is peaceful and really sweet, while an adult's character is very complicated. So this is the theme of the chapter. So students, let's take first stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? The first extract start with a question. The poet is raising a question. When did my childhood go? Where did my childhood go means मेरा childhood कहाँ गया, कब खत्म हुआ, came to an end. अब हर स्टैंजा में क्या है कि पोएट एक अलग अलग गैसेस कर रहा है कि शायद it was the day I ceased to be 11. Ceased मतलब completed. When I completed 11 years of my life and I entered in 12 years of my life, I think it was the day when my childhood came to an end. दूसरा वो क्या गैस करता है, शायद was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography. अब क्या है कि when the poet realized that hell and heaven, these two concepts cannot be found in geography books. अब क्या है कि एक बच्चे को एक स्वर्ग की और एक नरक की हम जो दो थॉट्स दे देते हैं कि आप अच्छे काम करोगे हेवन में जाओगे, गलत करोगे तो हेल में जाओगे। तो अब क्या है कि अभी तक वो फेरी टेल्स पे इन सब चीजों पे बड़ा इजीली यकीन करता था, लेकिन अब क्या है कि अब उसने देखना शुरू किया कि वेयर आर हेल एंड हेवन सिचुएटेड, एंड व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड looking all these things, he could not find them. So he realized that now he has become adult because he is not able to find hell and heaven in geography books, and therefore there could not be the existence of hell and heaven was that the day. It means when he realized these two things, what is the first thing? That when he completed his 11 years and when he came to know that hell and heaven could not be found in geography books, and there is not existence of these two concepts, hell or heaven के, so at that time he realized that his childhood had come to an end. In second stanza, again all the stanzas are starting from the same question, when did my childhood go. फिर पूछता है कि कहाँ गया childhood. Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seem to be. अब क्या था, वो ये सोचता था जब उसका बचपन था that adults are very good, they are very kind hearted, but now the poet has become adult and he realized that adults were not all they seems to be. They seem differently and they act differently. वो दिखते कुछ हो रहे हैं, उनका काम कुछ अलग होता है. They talked of love and preached of love. भाषण देते हैं वो love to humanity, moral values. Love here means moral values, but did not act so lovingly. But their actions are not according to their sayings. जो वो कहते हैं उनके अकॉर्डिंग उनके एक्शन नहीं होते. When the poet realized all these things, then he came to know that his childhood had come to an end. So, in third extract, again, the extract is starting from the same question. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? अब देखिए यहाँ पे हर बच्चे को ये लगता है, जब वो थोड़ा बड़ा होने लगता है, जब आप 11 12 क्लास में 10th क्लास में पहुंच जाते हो, तो आपको लगता है कि आप अपने दिमाग से सोचोगे वो बात सही है. अगर आपको कोई और गाइड करेगा, whether they are your teachers, your parents, तो आपको लगता है कि they are always trying to interrupt your thoughts, or they are always trying to interfere in your life. So you want to think by your own self. So that's why the poet is saying, शायद जब उसको ये realize हुआ, he was it when I found my mind was really mine. जो मेरा जो खुद का जो माइंड है वो was really mine, वो खुद मेरा है, to use whichever way I choose. So it's up to me. I want to choose my own path on life. मैं अपने रास्ते, अपनी लाइफ है, मैं वो खुद सेलेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ. वो मेरी मर्जी है कि मैं कोई भी जीवन का रास्ता है वो अडॉप्ट करूं. Producing thoughts that were not those of other people but my own and my alone. इसमें क्या है, इंडिविजुअलिटी यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है ये एक्सपेक्ट कि वो खुद अकेला रहना चाहता है. प्रोड्यूसिंग थॉट, थिंकिंग जो है वो ऐसे जो थॉट्स दैट वर नॉट दोज ऑफ अदर पीपल. माय थॉट्स आर नॉट अफेक्टेड, माय लाइकिंग्स आर नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय अदर पीपल, बट माय ओन एंड माय अलोन. सिर्फ मेरे जो आइडियाज हैं, विचार हैं, वो सिर्फ मेरे हैं. एंड व्हेन I realized all these things, I came to know that it was the end of my childhood. So students, we came to know about 2 or 3 things. In first stanza, there were 2 things. First was when the poet realized that he had completed his 11 years. Second thing, when he came to know that hell and heaven, they are only imaginary concept. In second extract, here the poet realized that when he came to know that adults seem differently and they act differently. And in third extract, we came to know about that when he started thinking individually, and when he thinks that his mind is only his thoughts are not interfered by anyone. Fourth stanza. अभी तक तीनों स्टेंजास हमारे स्टार्ट हो रहे थे when did my childhood go, and in this fourth stanza where did my childhood go. A poet came to know very easily कि when did his childhood go, where कहाँ पे गया, और इस एक्सटेंट में क्या है कि here the poet is feeling a repentance. He knows very well that it was the best time of his life. तो यहाँ पे एक रिपेंटेंस है जो एक हम सबको फील होती है, बचपन के जो गुम हो जाने का डर है वो हर कोई फील करता है. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten places. Forgotten places का मतलब होता है एक ऐसी जगह जिसको हम भूल चुके हैं. That's hidden in an infant's face. इन्फेंट्स होता है बिल्कुल जो स्मॉल बेबी है, छोटा बच्चा है, उसकी जो मासूमियत है वो उसके चेहरे पे दिखाई देती है. तो वो जो चाइल्डहुड है, अगर वो शायद एक इन्फेंट फेस एक छोटे बच्चे के चेहरे में छुप गया है, दैट्स ऑल आई नो, एंड ओनली थिंग दैट आई केम टू नो इज दैट थिंग दैट द चाइल्डहुड हैज buried in an infant's face. So students, I hope you must have understood the poem, and if you have any problem, you are free to